this video, we're going to show you ways in which you can free up storage and declutter your iPhone without performing a factory reset. The first trick to make your iPhone run faster is, surprisingly, freeing up its storage. Removing old downloaded media is the easiest way to free up storage space. To do that, open your preferred video streaming app on your iPhone. For this video, we're taking the example of Netflix. Open the app. Now tap on My Netflix at the bottom right corner. Tap on Downloads. Now tap on the pencil icon at the top left. Select the movies that you want to clear to remove the downloads from your iPhone. You can do the same for Spotify and other music services that you use. Let's take the example of Spotify here. Open the app. Tap on the profile icon. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Storage. Inside the menu, tap on Remove All Downloads to clear more storage space on your iPhone. Lastly, remove all the unnecessary apps that you have available on your iPhone. To remove them, swipe left to go to the app library. Now search for the app and long tap on it. Tap on Delete App, confirm, and you are done. Hopefully, this video will surely help you reclaim lost storage space on your iPhone. Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.